Hey, what's up Tube? Willington here and welcome to 2017. I hope you guys had a fantastic holiday season. I myself haven't been feeling very well this season, so excuse me for my voice. But CES 2017 is this week and I'm so excited to see what the world of Bluetooth speakers has to offer this year. But let's get back to this video. In the battlefield, today we have the Flip 3 going up against the SoundLink Color 2. The speakers are 5 feet away from the sound recorder and they are both playing at 80% volume. Put your headphones on and let's hear the speakers speak.
Just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.
And that is it. Surprisingly, the speakers are about the same when it comes to loudness. And also the mids and highs on both speakers are almost identical. I say almost because when you listen closely, the highs on the SoundLink are a little bit sharper than the highs on the Flip 3. But like I said, you have to listen closely. Moving on to the lows, the Flip 3 is a good speaker and it handles the lows pretty good for its size. But in this battle, the SoundLink is performing better. The gap between the two speakers is not very big, but you can definitely hear a richer sound coming out of the Bose. So the winner of this battle is the SoundLink Color 2, but the Flip 3 is honestly not very far behind it. Let me know what you think down below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe And to my subscribers, I wish you guys a happy new year and expect a lot to come this year from the channel. I encourage you guys to follow me on Twitter and Facebook this new year because I'm going to be sharing and asking you guys what you want to see on the channel a lot over there. So follow me. The links to my pages will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.